A quick look at Hurricane Jose, which continues to churn its way out there in the Atlantic, northeast of the Leeward Islands. It is a Category 2 hurricane, winds at 105, moving north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. It's going to do this very strange loop that we've seen some storms do before, where it starts to move up to the north, high pressure builds into the north of it. It's forced to turn around down here. It's going to be moving through its own cold water that it's churned up. It's going to deal with some wind shear and come out the other side as possibly a tropical storm or a Category 1 hurricane, and then start a little push over to the west. But the good news is that as it begins that push to the west, at the same time, upper level steering winds are going to be moving off the east coast of the U.S. along with some of the flow left over from Irma, and that should push Jose back out to sea and eventually ride it up to the northeast here, where eventually it will just fall apart in the North Atlantic. All the computer models seem to be in pretty good agreement about that right now.